Hi everybody, I'm Mike from Arcan Trailer. Today I'm going to show you the brand new 2021 R-Pod 171 model. So this is the smallest one they make. We'll dive right in, but as you can probably notice right off the rip, there is a brand new look for R-Pod this year. So they moved away from the gray and the blue, from a couple years ago, and now they're kind of a white with a little bit of a gray contrast. You'll see little gold accents and things like that. So all new colors inside and out. We'll get to the inside, but let's start on the outside first. So out west here, we bring everything in with the Hood River Edition package. So you'll notice things like the Max Air Vent cover on the roof. Of course, all our pods have a one-piece fiberglass roof at this size. And then you'll see the big off-road 15-inch extreme tires. That's for the Hood River Edition only. And then of course you get the double step entrance because there is a little more clearance here. They give you that second step. Otherwise, 4 stabilizer jacks has been standard with R-Pod for a couple of years now. Black tank flush as well for flushing out your sewer, so that's a nice premium feature. They've kind of streamlined the option packages for R-Pod this year, so things like the TV, the power tongue jack, convection microwave, all that kind of stuff used to be options that you could add, but now it all comes standard, and there's just a few little things that you can pick. But let's head on inside and we'll check out the new look. All right, welcome inside. So the 171's got the front booth dinette, which does of course flip down into a bed. You can see the new colors kind of blend in really nice, modern looking. They do have the front window, of course they added that last year. New fixtures, they went with kind of the black accents, kind of like you're seeing in a lot of new homes. You got the nice deep big sink, that was an upgrade this year. Bluetooth deck, they've had that for a while as well. And then of course the roof mounted wired for solar that they're still doing. So you can get it from the factory with a solar panel, or of course you can have your dealership install it as well. TV is standard as well. And then moving in, you got still your 2-burner stove, convection microwave, and then of course your central vac. So this is a little kick flip here. So you can just sweep into that, or you can plug in a hose right into the unit itself. A little bit of storage, air conditioner, and then they are doing a new fridge now. A little bit different than their old ones. It's a little bit bigger, kind of just a more streamlined shape. And then they even give you a little laundry hanger or clothes hanger. And then I'll let you have a look at the bedroom, or just the bed itself. They do have the window at the back, and there is storage underneath the bed as well. And then I'll get you to have a look inside the washroom. So wet dry bath, it's got the shower and the toilet. There's a fantastic fan in there. Keep it nice and dry and keep the air flowing. So everything you need, you're under 20 feet. Our pods are of course lightweight construction. They are built with the Asdel paneling in the walls now. So there's no wood in the walls. And this is one of the few floor plans that's still under 3,000 pounds. So it's very, very towable. But that about does it for the R-Pod 171. I'm Mike from Arcan Trailer. I'll catch you next time.